Oh no.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. This video is sponsored by me, aka the Deluxe Weirdness, aka my Patreon. Thank you so much to all my patrons. You guys are awesome. And if you're in the Deluxe Weirdness, you already saw this video. Congratulations. If you'd like to become a Deluxe Weirdo, click right here or check out the link in the description. See you there, Deluxe Weirdos. I don't know why I keep choosing violence. I don't know. If you've already seen the blue one, the white one, and the pink one, you know what's gonna happen next. I dyed my hair pink and blue and white, and I'll link those here. But I keep getting this urge to dye my hair, except I don't want my hair to be dyed. You know what I mean? I had a dream. I was Yoruichi yesterday, like last night. And I woke with a start. I had a different video planned. The Yoru called me. Yoru means night. So right here, right now, you punch like a drunken writer. I'm just gonna live out my anime dreams. I am considering doing cosplay content on the channel, and I'm really testing the waters for it. Y'all like the pink one. Y'all did not like the blue one. Y'all love the white one. So here's the purple one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It smells like AWA in here. This is Salon Graphics High Beams Intense Temporary Spray-On Hair Color. They are not sponsoring this video, but hopefully in the future they will. The color is buildable. Oh, I just realized I have on a scarf. Oh no! Okay, it's dripping now, so I gotta do something about that. Just opened a door for more ventilation. Oh god. Oh no. Whoa! This is crazy. This is going way better than I thought it would. I don't even know what to say right now. Yeah. Is this my villain origin story? Yes. Well, I'm a bad guy now. You hear me? I will make one appearance in the anime movie and never mentioned again. Yes, that's me. That's this character. That's who I am. I cannot believe that. Look at this. Look at. I done headbutted my mic. I'm already becoming evil. Look at this color payoff. People are gonna think I over-edited the thumbnail, but this is just what it looks like. Wow. Today is wash day. So, it's not wash day no more. I like it. That's why I felt bold, empowered even, to do this. But now I don't want to wash it out. In the past, doing this has taken like so much more time, but today I just like really went for it. So like, what's the rest of this video? Me styling this hair. Be back. How do you wear purple hair? How do you do it? Oh Lord, you get this purple rain. Purple. It's not coming off. Oh yeah, it is. Hold on, I'm posting this on. Watch me post this on Patreon. Watch me do it. Yep. So we already see what it would look like in a puff. So let's see what else it could look like. Let's go. Okay, I think I found something. So I changed clothes into this off the shoulder little cute dress. Did you get that's a good enough look. And I have this pink scarf. I think pink and purple tend to get along with each other. We'll see. Oh. Sorry. I'm just not used to such a vibrant color and such a I don't know how I feel. Do I hate it? Or do I love it? All I know is that I'm feeling a strong feeling about it. Is that it? Or should I do a bow? Do I love it? Whenever I woo 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 woo, I think I love it.
Don't mind me, I'm just a fantasy
NPC.
Maybe a side character, maybe a merchant. Welcome to the last drop.
Welcome to the weary way.
Ah.
Ew. Sorry, I was voicing a really cute character earlier, and it's still in my head. For those who don't know, I'm a professional voice actor as well.
So when I get into my cute voice, it's hard to get out.
Don't worry, I'm also disgusted.
If any of you beautiful, lovely followers who are so talented at drawing are still here, because it's been so long since I've done a dyed my hair video, you feel free to make some fan art and tag me on Instagram. I swear I'll go on Instagram and check. That's one of the very few ways you can get me back on Instagram. I stay away from there. And Bird app. I look like an art major.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh.
I'm normal. How else can I style this? I thought this was gonna look crazy. This is the easiest one to style. Hold on. I have on my most pristine white shirt. I was hoping I could do a semi-professional look without staining my crispest, whitest item of clothing. Maybe with it. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going for. I'm just gonna do it. I don't know why I'm whispering as to not disturb my hair. But with the overwhelming Nefertiti-ness of this silhouette, I'd say, yes, I look like an African studies teacher, and that's a good look. This was just very unexpected. I don't know what else to do with myself. I wonder, what else can I do? Okay, I have on my purple wind jacket, windbreaker. Is that what it's called? I'm thinking, oh no, it started to get removed from all my scarves. I only have a few hairstyles left in this pigment. Ooh, Lord, children. It looks like a loaf of bread. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh my, oh my, oh gosh. Oh golly gee willikers. Oh hooey. Drat. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Uh-huh. Oh my good. What is even happening? I don't even know. What is this look? I have no idea.
Don't worry, I'm also disgusted.
I barely ever wear double puffs anymore. I think I'm gonna have to start. I always look like such a little mouse when I wear anything like this. Do I dare? Do I dare? I do, though. It's so big. I have such a small head. I look like a child. Oh, Lord. What else can I do? This is fun. Punk. Eh. I'm finna ready to dye my hair purple for real. Who knew that purple would suit me so well? Purple is, okay, blue and purple are the colors I would stay away from the most if I was like truly permanently coloring my hair. What I would have gone for first is pink, and we all saw how that worked out. Yeah, it's patchy, but it looks this good. Patchy. I am stunned. I'm stunned. And it's wash day and it still has the nerve to look this good. Hold on. Oh! So, what do y'all think about me translating some characters into Afrocentrism? Because if I could pull off purple hair, I'm clearly underestimating myself. I think it's time. Would y'all watch that? Would you watch that? Would ya? All right. Well, this has been very eye-opening. What other colors should I dye my hair? Should I retry pink? Should I retry blue? Check out the blue one. It was so good. Okay, well, if you like content like this, I upload on Tuesdays at p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks so much for watching this video, lads and lasses.
Don't worry, I'm awesome.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video. It helps me out quite a bit, and it allows me to continue to make free content like this for you to watch here, and amazing deluxe content for you to watch on the Deluxe Weirdness, aka my Patreon. If you'd like to support me on Patreon and be one of these lovely people here, make sure that you click the link in the description and select the Starry Spaniels tier, and I'll see you on there. You guys are awesome. I'll see you next time. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.